Hi, so I figured it will be hard to understand how to do it without visuals, so here is a short tutorial on how you can do it. So as you can see, I just imported the lens sample file that you can get from Zebeto Studio, and then I just need to hide hips and masks for the meantime so I can focus on the lenses. And then I selected the right eye, and I will assign a different material to it, which I will name as lens R, so I won't be confused later when I assign the textures in Unity. And then I just need to do the same thing to the left eye or lens. As you can see there, the original material lens SHD is still there. I just need to delete that to avoid confusion later. And I also renamed masks since that's a habit of mine. So once everything is okay, the materials are assigned to the corresponding lenses. You can then export it as an updated FBX file. And then you can import it in Unity. I already have like sample textures here to show you how you can do it, and just need to extract materials. So delete the mask material since it needs to be assigned as none, and then I just changed the shader to Zebeto standard, and I assigned each of the textures to each shader